Newton's laws are absolutely pivotal if you're going to do well at physics. You have to be able to do more than just quote them verbatim and chuck numbers into F equals ma. If you want top grades, then you have to have a grasp of what is really going on. And that's the point of this video. In physics, the word acceleration means speeding up or slowing down. Or to put it another way, acceleration can be thought of as a change in velocity. And in fact, that's what Newton's first law is all about. It links resultant force with change in velocity or acceleration. Let's take three simple examples of forces acting on trolleys and use these to explain what Newton's first law actually says. This first trolley has a resultant force to the right and so will accelerate in that direction. This second trolley has a smaller acceleration to the right because the resultant force is smaller. But what about this third one where there is no resultant force? That simply means that there is no acceleration, and this trolley will keep moving at whatever speed it was going at beforehand. In other words, its velocity stays constant. So this then is Newton's first law. It's all about the connection between resultant force and acceleration. If the resultant force on a stationary object is zero, the object will remain stationary. If the resultant force on a moving object is zero, it will just carry on moving at the same velocity, i.e. same speed and direction. Now that's a very nice definition. It's very all-encompassing, but it's also extremely long and wordy. There must be quicker ways of writing this. Well, how about if the resultant force on an object is zero, then its velocity remains constant? I think that's a shorter, more concise version and easier to remember.